Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Carat Bomb is probably one of the most anticipated and sought-after items for any dedicated fan of the K-pop group 17, and for good reason. This official lightstick isn't just a concert accessory, it's a symbol of unity and passion for the Carats worldwide, designed to illuminate arenas with a vibrant, synchronized glow that amplifies the electrifying performances of their favorite idols. Owning one means you're not just attending a concert, you're becoming an integral part of the dazzling spectacle, a testament to the powerful connection between the group and their devoted fanbase, making every fan event an unforgettable experience. Number 5. Life Around 2 Angels Bath Bombs Gift Set. Experience a spa-like retreat in your own home. Our bath bombs transform your ordinary bath into a luxurious escape. Crafted with care in the USA, each bath bomb is a testament to quality. Enjoy a superior bathing experience. Infused with shea and cocoa butter, they deeply moisturize dry skin. Say goodbye to dryness and hello to soft, supple skin. Looking for the perfect gift? These fizzies are an ideal present for birthdays, Mother's Day, or any special occasion. Each bath bomb is handmade, ensuring a unique and personal touch. They make a thoughtful gift for her or him. Create a delightful bubble spa with these amazing fizzies. Enjoy the relaxing and aromatic experience they provide. What we like? If you're looking for a luxurious spa experience at home, this is the one. It deeply moisturizes dry skin with shea and cocoa butter. Choose this if you want to pamper yourself with high-quality, skin-nourishing ingredients. What people say. The album includes a photo book with high-quality images of the members. The packaging is sturdy and well-designed, protecting the contents. It comes with multiple photo cards and a random photo card, which is a nice bonus for collectors. Number 4. Dan&Darci 3-in-1 Spa Science Lab Kit. Discover the fun of science and crafts with this all-in-one spa kit. It's the perfect gift for curious kids who love to create. All ingredients are 100% safe for bath time fun. Follow the illustrated guide to easily make amazing products. Create up to 10 beautiful soaps by mixing colors, fragrances, and glitter. You can even make layered soaps for a unique look. Design your own bath bombs with exciting colors and scents. Don't forget to hide the surprise charms inside for an extra special treat. Layer colorful sea salts to make beautiful bath salt scrubs. Add a fizzy twist with baking soda and citric acid for a relaxing soak. This complete kit comes with all the ingredients and tools you need to get started right away. Includes everything from colorful dyes to surprise charms. What we like? This is perfect for sparking creativity in young minds. It's a fun, educational way for kids to learn about science and crafts. If your child loves hands-on activities and making things, this kit offers hours of engaging fun. What people say. This is the best album ever. I love this album so much. 17 is the best group. Number 3. 17 Special Album Random Cover CD. Get ready to dive into the special album from 17. This package is packed with exclusive goodies for every fan. You'll find a 72-page booklet filled with stunning photos, a postcard, and a mini card. Plus, a special sticker to personalize your collection. Collect 2 unique photo cards and a special message photo card set. These are perfect for any dedicated fan. Rest assured, this K-pop album is officially sealed and brand new. You're getting the real deal. Don't miss out on this incredible special edition. It's the perfect addition to your 17 collection. We ensure your order arrives safely with tracked shipping. Get your hands on this must-have album today. What we like? For the ultimate K-pop fan, this offers a unique collector's item. It comes with a variety of exclusive inclusions like postcards and photo cards. If you're a dedicated fan looking for special merchandise, this album is a must-have. What people say. The packaging is very nice and the product itself is very pretty. The album came with a lot of inclusions, like photo cards and a poster. The photo book has high-quality pictures of the members. Number 2. 17 FML 10th Mini Album Carat Ver. Get ready for the highly anticipated 10th mini album from 17, FML. This is the Carat version, offering a unique experience for every fan. Each Carat version is randomly selected, making every unboxing a surprise. Discover what special inclusions await you in this edition. Immerse yourself in the newest music and concepts from your favorite group. This album is a must-have for any dedicated fan. With its random nature, the Carat version is perfect for collectors. You might get a special photo card or other exclusive merchandise. Dive into the world of FML with this special release. It's more than just an album, it's a piece of 17 history. Don't miss out on the excitement of receiving your random Carat version. It's a unique way to connect with the album. What we like. This is a great option for fans who enjoy collecting different versions of albums. It's a chance to get a random, unique edition of their latest release. If you like the thrill of surprise and want to expand your K-pop collection, this is for you. What people say. The album includes a photo card and a folded poster. The packaging is very nice and the inclusions are great. Number 1. 17 You Make My Day Set the Sun Ver. CD. Experience the vibrant energy of 17 with their 5th mini album, You Make My Day. This special, Set the Sun, version brings you closer to the group's captivating performances. This edition includes a beautiful photo book, lyrics paper, and exclusive photo cards. You'll also find a folded poster to decorate your space. It's everything you need to immerse yourself in the world of You Make My Day. A perfect edition for any dedicated fan. The CD contains all the tracks from this beloved mini-album. Enjoy the music in its original, high-fidelity sound. Unbox a variety of exclusive photo cards and a folded poster. These are special items that make this version truly unique. Let the music and visuals of this album brighten your day. It's a collection designed to bring joy and excitement. What we like. This album provides a rich visual and lyrical experience for fans. It includes a detailed photo book and a poster, making it a comprehensive package. If you appreciate detailed album art and want a complete fan experience, this version is ideal. What people say. The packaging is very nice and sturdy, making it a great gift option. The album includes a photo card and a random bookmark, adding extra value for fans. The songs on the album are very catchy and well-produced, showcasing 17's musical talent. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.